I'm Giada and I'm attending with my friends Elisa.
Hi.
Lisa.
Hi.
Francesco.
Hi.
And Irene.
Hi.
The third year of pastry making course at the Hotel and Catering High School, A.Beltrame in Vittorio, Veneto. We are going to show you how to make brownies.
The brownie was born in USA in Boston. Mrs. Brown was baking a chocolate cake, but she forgot to add the yeast and the cake didn't rise. She decided to serve the flat cake and it was a great success.
The ingredients to make brownies are butter, dark chocolate, cacao powder, sugar, nuts, flour, yeast, eggs, and a bit of salt.
The method to make brownies is melt chocolate and butter. Then add cacao powder.
After this, beat eggs with sugar and salt. Put the melted chocolate in the eggs with sugar.
And add sifted flour with yeast. And after add the nuts.
Put the mixture in a cake tin.
Put in the oven at 180 degrees for about 40 minutes.
Serve the cake cut into squares.